In today's film industry, cosmetic procedures, plastic surgeries, and detailed skincare routines are talked about more openly than ever. Celebrities are no longer hiding what they do to look a certain way, and fans closely follow every routine, every product, and every confession. Now, filmmaker and choreographer Farah Khan has added fuel to this ongoing discussion, and the internet can't stop talking about it. In her recent cooking vlog with her cook, Dileep, Farah was seen chatting casually while promoting a skincare brand. The vibe was relaxed, fun, and very Farah. During the video, Dileep couldn't help but compliment her glowing skin and asked her what her secret was. Staying true to her witty and confident personality, Farah immediately brushed it off. She smiled and claimed that it was all just her natural glow and inner beauty. No products, no effort, just her, being her. But moments later, Farah switched gears. Looking straight into the camera, with a mischievous smile, she revealed the truth while promoting the brand she was associated with. Jokingly, she said, "Let Dileep think that I am naturally beautiful," clearly hinting that the skincare product deserved the real credit. That's when the conversation took an interesting turn. Farah didn't stop at skincare. She went on to share her blunt opinion about beauty standards in the film industry today. In her signature unfiltered style, she made a statement that instantly grabbed attention. She said, "Except for Aishwarya Rai, hardly anyone is naturally beautiful." While some took this as a compliment to Aishwarya Rai, others felt Farah was indirectly calling out the rest of the industry, suggesting that natural beauty is rare in today's cinema world. Was it just Farah being honest? Was it sarcasm? Or was it a subtle dig at the obsession with cosmetic perfection? Whatever the intention, her comment has definitely reopened the conversation around beauty, filters, procedures, and what natural really means in Bollywood today. What do you think? Harmless humor or a quiet slam? Ranbir Kapoor has officially confirmed what fans have been waiting to hear: the sequel to Animal is happening. Titled Animal Park, the much-anticipated film is in the works, but there's a long wait ahead. In a recent interview, Ranbir revealed that director Sandeep Reddy Vanga is currently busy with another project. Because of that, the sequel won't go on floors anytime soon. In fact, filming is expected to begin only in 2027. Speaking about the timeline, Ranbir said the director is right now making another film. "We should start that film in 2027. It's a bit away." Naturally, fans are curious to know if the script is already locked. Addressing that, Ranbir shared that while the story isn't fully ready yet, the director has already dropped some exciting hints. He said, Reddy Vanga, just kind of flirted with what he really wants to do with the movie. He wants to make it in 3 parts. The second part is called Animal Park. Ranbir also opened up about his involvement in shaping the sequel. According to him, discussions about the story actually began while they were working on the first film. Sharing his excitement, the actor said, "We have been sharing ideas from the first film itself, how he wants to take the story forward. It's very exciting because now I get to play 2 characters, the antagonist and the protagonist. So extremely exciting project and an extremely original director, and I'm very excited to be a part of it." The original Animal, directed by Sandeep Reddy Vanga, was a hyperviolent action drama that explored the intense and obsessive relationship between a father and son. Ranbir played Vijay Singh, whose troubled bond with his father, portrayed by Anil Kapoor, drove the dark and gripping storyline. Meanwhile, Ranbir's schedule is packed with some of the biggest films of his career. He is currently working on Sanjay Leela Bhansali's Love and War, a 1960s set historical drama co-starring Alia Bhatt and Vicky Kaushal, slated for release in June 2026. Later that year, he will appear as Lord Ram in Nitesh Tiwari's Ramayan, Part 1. So while the excitement around Animal Park continues to grow, Ranbir has made it clear fans will have to wait until at least 2027 for the next chapter. Just days after actress Moni Roy shared a disturbing harassment incident in Karnal, Bengali actress and politician Mimi Chakrabarti has now come forward with her own shocking experience. Mimi has alleged that she was harassed and publicly humiliated during an event in Bongaon. Taking to social media, Mimi revealed that she was abruptly asked to get off stage while she was in the middle of her performance. What followed, she says, was even more disturbing. According to the actress, after she left the stage, derogatory remarks were made about her on the microphone, an act she described as humiliating and defamatory. Mimi chose Republic Day to speak about the incident and shared a detailed post on X explaining why she decided to break her silence. She wrote, "As we celebrate Republic Day, we speak of freedom and equality. But the independence and dignity of women and artists are still too easily violated. I have built my image and career on my own over the years. Staying silent today would only normalize the humiliation of artists." Opening up about what exactly happened, Mimi explained that she was invited by the Naya Gopal Gunj Yubak Sango Club to perform at the event. She wrote, "I was invited by Naya Gopal Gunj Yubak Sango Club to perform at an event in Bongaon. Mid-performance, I was abruptly asked to leave the stage without any prior communication in front of the audience. There were many people waiting to see me and meet me, including fans who had come for a picture." The actress further revealed that after leaving the stage, the situation worsened. She stated, "Leaving the stage that way, followed by derogatory remarks on the microphone, was not just humiliating, it defamed me publicly." Mimi also shared that at the time of the incident, she chose to walk away quietly to maintain decorum. However, she has now decided to take action. According to her post, she has taken the matter to the appropriate legal authorities and believes in due process. Concluding her note, Mimi made her stance clear, writing, "If I keep quiet today, this behavior will be repeated tomorrow. Dignity on stage is non-negotiable." Meanwhile, the event organizers have denied wrongdoing. They claimed that Mimi arrived on stage at around 11:45 p.m., nearly an hour later than scheduled, and was asked to step away because of the delay. They also stated that she may have perceived the request as disrespectful and have demanded an apology from the actress. As the issue unfolds, Mimi's statement has once again sparked a larger conversation about respect, dignity, and safety for artists on public platforms. Kacha Badam fame Anjali Arora is back in the spotlight, but this time, it's not for her. Her boyfriend, Akash Sansamwal, has landed in trouble with the law. According to reports, the Uttar Pradesh police arrested Akash during a routine vehicle check under the Paratpur police station jurisdiction. The arrest took place at the Kashi Toll Plaza on the Delhi-Meerut Expressway. The reason? Akash was allegedly using a fake MP MLA pass. This comes amid heightened security checks ahead of Republic Day on 26 January. Akash, a resident of Katwaria Sare in Delhi's Kishangarh area, was reportedly claiming to be a personal assistant to a sitting MP and projecting close links with the MP's family. These claims are currently being verified. SSP Meerut Dr. Vipin Tada explained that Akash was driving a Scorpio bearing a legislator's pass. When verification was done, the pass was found to be forged, following which the content creator was taken into custody. For those who may not know, Akash came into the limelight in 2022 when he was spotted with Anjali. He is also a content creator and active on social media, often sharing videos and reels with his girlfriend. His Instagram account shows that he enjoys a following of 79.3k people, follows 405 accounts, and posts travel and temple visits with Anjali, including trips to Kedarnath. Anjali herself is no stranger to the headlines. She first rose to fame with her viral dancing reel on Kacha Badam. She later participated in the first season of Lock UPP, where she became a fan favorite. During the show, she revealed that she was never in a relationship with Munawar and their friendship ended once the show concluded. Despite the current controversy surrounding her boyfriend, Anjali continues to remain active and popular on social media. Fans are watching closely as the investigation unfolds, and many are curious about how this incident may affect the couple. With Republic Day security at its peak, this arrest has already grabbed the attention of authorities and social media alike, making it one of the most talked about stories in the entertainment world today. As the investigation continues, all eyes are on Anjali and Akash, and fans are waiting for further updates.